Yo, what's going on? I'm out here in the middle of a goddamn blizzard. You know, I've always come prepared. You know what I'm saying? I gotta worry about these little fucks throwing snowballs at me, but, you know, I came prepared. See that shit? I'm smart too. I got my goggles. You can't see me. Look in my eyes. Look in my eyes, bitch. Take a look at the city. Take a look at the city. See that? Yep. I'll be bad as shit if I slip and fall. So, you know, why am I here? Whoa, shit. Whoa. Almost went down. Why am I here in the blizzard? If I don't make it, tell my mom to keep my porno DVDs. Don't give them away. Tell them to keep it. I got good classics. Like Big Booty Judy, 1734.